Friends, subscribe to Jilla Hub and don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss my video updates.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Swati and this is my very first video of fashion and styling. So please spare me if I go wrong anywhere. I'm planning this since 2013 I guess. I have been watching Superwoman, Betty Mota and Michelle. Since then I'm planning. I know I'm late but देर आए दुरुस्त आए. Okay, so let's get started.
So my first look is really comfortable and opt for the outing, especially if you're planning a bike ride with your friends. This jeans is really comfortable and it is from Hollister, my current favorite brand for denims. And the top and sandals are from Zara. My second look is back to school or a college look. I used to wear such combos in my first year of college. This kind of dresses are really comfortable and girly. So this top is from Zara, which is 100% cotton, and the dress is from H&M. I got this bag from UK and the brand is Fjällräven Kanken. The pronunciation is really tough. And this white shoes is from Zara. In my third look, I am using the same top and shoes from Zara, and the superb comfy skirt and the bag is from Forever 21. This look is awesome for the summer days. Shoes are from Skechers and the top and skirt are from Zara. In this look, I have used my swimsuit as a top, which is looking super sexy with this Zara flared pant with the matching handbag and sandals from Zara. If you want to know the prices of the products, don't forget to check my description box and follow me on Instagram.